Hey guys, I want to show you that Brinks up close. You can see, well, I'll start at this side. That's how I got it from my locksmith. He had to take it off because somebody, you can see it's got tool marks. Somebody tried to cut it and they couldn't. It's a nice tough lock, Brinks. So, and they didn't bother trying to make a key. They usually just give me a good deal on every lock. That's where I got my pans or no key. That's where I got a bunch of locks. That's where I got my I gotta give them a shout out. Castle Lock. I think that's their name. Yeah, Castle. No, fuck. Anyway, doesn't matter. I drummed it. You can tell I cheated, but it's a 5-pinner. Okay, peace, guys.